Okay. Nakailis na ka, nakaon, nakaluto na ka, o itlog. Yes, ano ba nito ninyo? Okay na po siya, ano panihapon karon. And then, nakabuka na yung dari. Nachi camera. It's currently 8:19 p.m. And yeah, so nakiplano nga i-post ni mo tong first vlog dito sa YouTube. Hopefully nga kung mabalik ka na nga video, unta nga happy ka, unta nga layo na ka naabtan, unta successful na ka, or content creator, or sikat nga vlogger na nakasilang nasan karon. Kasi pangandoy, wala mali sa nga. Kung mga doy naman ganit, taas yun mga upload mo. Kung kasi may nakita na yung mga classmate ako, I don't care. Sure. Hello guys. Kasi talaga ako paran. Hey paran. Hi paran, dapat motivated ka pun kakaroon. Tapos laban ng fighting. I encourage you, malaban lang. Inabot ka din na time. Grabe lang ka nagian, pero laban lang. Laban lang ang buhay ay ipaglaban. Buwang. Basta man ibalikan mo pagmasad ka. Tapos, naman yung time nga, mubalik ka diri sa mga video, nataon mo balik tapos wala na kayo feelings. Ay, ano? Mawadan ka og feelings. Mawadan ka og knowledge. Mawadan ka kining glow kung sa imong feelings karon. Tapos, after 1 year, kalimtan mo sa gibata mo karon, mangitang kumagi nga mabalik og feel. Mabalik ni mo, ma-feel mo. Kung taon na balik ni dapat ma-feel ni mo og otro kung unsa ang imong nabati. It's so hard to explain or to elaborate. To explain kung unsa imong nabatiin ka sa nabati. Ani mo dapat grateful ka, kaya always ka grateful. Grateful lang daw. Ay, bisan pa nga kapoy, you still okay. Ati-atihan mong good ka para kinahi allergies balahibo sa dinosaurs. Ambot lang ano kakalaliwat nga nung allergic ka sa balahibo sa dinosaurs. Yeah, nag-away pa ganit mo sa imong kuya. Kaya tungkol na ng dinosaurs nga pa puyo aning balay. Dalong dagat kay balahibo. Kalagot ang dinosaurs. Nakano, imong kilay, imong mata, gasig ka, dapat always ana. Pag always ana imong mata na more kag cute. Attitude yun. Yay! Vampire yarn. So in English, you need to speak in English because there's some people watching you that they don't understand your dialect or your Tagalog because they're foreign or something else that where they came from, and you need to speak English fluently or fast. And right now, you need to speak English so that you're speaking English. Malamang, speak English. So I'm doing this one because I want you to have fun. If you are sad or you're watching this, you're watching this. Maybe you're feeling bad or because you're watching it back, watching it again. Yes. So to those people watching me right now, I'm so happy because you have a intention. You have a good intention because you're watching the kind of boring topic or boring person who just dating herself on YouTube. So it's okay if you're not watching. Just chika chika there with me, or just ask me, or just comment down section below. Or if you want to have a collaboration with me, suggest ask me, don't hesitate to like, comment, and share. So, I'm just, ano yun pala, dapat, ang iminawag din dapat ka katokanan kayo para inibilang. Tawan mo balik that you look so funny and you made yourself happy, you know. So, you just Englishing, and then you just speak English that yourself, which is yourself updated, more knowledge to come, and then you'll judge yourself that, oh my god, what happened to myself before when my English so bad, my grammar is so bad. I don't care. I don't care about your grammar. The important right now is to understand each other, you create conversation, you have a connection or relationship or philosophers. With the philosophers. So just make it more fun and more reliable, so you have reliable, so you can convey yourself. So you can So yeah, habit na siya mag 10 minutes. It's already 8:50 seconds. So just speak so fast so I can do whatever I want. Oh my god, nalabat na yung reload. Ang imong I watch TV. I watch A10 Pro Max worth of 1.6 million. So grateful you pinakapit ka. Just to make yourself fun. So you can, when you watch this video, you'll smile. So if my ate will watch this one, if my ate will not watch this one, so hi there, kumusta? Gracias. 안녕하세요. 저는 versi스입니다. 저는 필리핀 사람이에요. 저는 한국 사람이에요. Sapit na mag-8. Sa rin ako. Kaya murag mag-isa-istorya sa gulingon yung murag ka kini ma-happy ka. There's a joy when you're speaking English, you're speaking by yourself ka. Kasi makagalingan may istorya ka, tapos imong magawas ka ng imong mga gipambati sa sulod sa imo ang kasi mo lang sa una sulod sa kukunod, sulod sa kontiyan, wala mong sulod sa kung kasing kasig kung unang-una untag magpurok sa imo ang maturok. So nahuna nga dapat grateful ka, dapat mapahati mo self. Huwag lang tao ka ano. So, pero pag nahimalay makakita ani, hello, if you're interested to this video, if you're interested, I don't care. Pag interesado ka nining video ha, kung ikaw ay interesado sa video nito, just comment or just message me sa akong Facebook account, Francis Duntar. Mga i-message yun mo. Kaya siguro ganahin ka sa akong kuan, sa akong pagkatokatib. Honestly, di ko tokatib, dili ko. I don't want myself i-down akong self. Gusto na ko i-encourage ako self with confidence. Rapo ko. Di ko kayo rapo ko. I just want to say, you're so cute. You're enough. You're strong. You are smart, tall, dark, PDH. And 1, 2, 3, bye. And